So this is just like an introduction to C4C. What is C4C? Are you aware what is cloud computing?
Not in full, yeah.
Cloud computing is like, I can say, you are not having any system handy, it's on cloud. So if you have worked on, I can say, on-premise system, that requires a database on backend. Okay, basis team are the one who is configuring it, but here it's not required. So SAP C4C is a software service cloud offering from SAP that runs on SAP HANA cloud platform. Okay, so I can say it's a software service solution. Basically, software, there are three type of things: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So you can Google it out. These things: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Software as a service means we don't have to invest much. Everything will be there on cloud. We don't have to build any database thing. We don't have to build anything. So what a company has to do is they just have to build, they just have to create their data centers and everything will be available on cloud. So similarly, SAP has offered, SAP is having a couple of data centers available. So it's a software as a solution cloud offering that is provided by SAP and that runs on HANA cloud platform. HANA, I hope you are aware of HANA. It's like in-memory computing. Everything is available in the memory. That is, I can say, everything is available on RAM to compare it with the traditional SAP system. This cloud CRM combines sales, customer service, and social selling tools, which enable sales representative to interact with customer in more meaningful ways and develop strong personal connections that allow for improved engagement across all communication channels. So basically, it means to say C4C. I mean, nowadays it's sales, service, and customer CX. I mean, I have already told you. And then social settings tool, I can say we can integrate our system with social media also. We can integrate C4C with Facebook, we can integrate with LinkedIn, we can integrate it with our Twitter also. So if anyone is complaining on Twitter, a service request will be generated automatically on the basis of that.
It's all integration about the third party, with the third party, right?
Yeah, it's all integration of the third. See, I told you, I mean, if you are going for an interview, it doesn't matter whether you are expertise in sales or service. First thing which they are going, which we always look for is integration. How good you are you are good with the integration concept. Because see, communication channel arrangements, everyone is aware about it, but they are not sure how to implement that thing. What is certificate based and what is user credential based thing. So this thing is something which, I mean, a person who has not worked on it but have seen the system, they might not be aware of that thing. Okay, and what couple of person are doing is they are going to SAP blog saptutorials.com, something like that. So couple of person, what they are doing is they are going through the videos and they are coming for introducing like we have implemented C4C project. So I mean that's the thing. I mean, which is not a right thing which is available on that portal. But yes, I'll be telling you each and everything in detail, like what we have to do over there and what is the arrangements, how we can build, and what thing is necessary, and what is I mean, if you're not aware of CPI, what can be a CPI, what is HCI, what is PI. I will explain you these things also.
Okay. Yeah, the middleware, right?
Yeah, the middleware. I will only be able to explain you the middleware part, but yes, I will not be able to guide you on that thing because like
that's okay. That's not our part. Yeah, that's not our part, right? They have to do it. PI people or CPI person
yeah,
to do.
PI people have to do, but what happens when you are working on a project? Like I can say, I know a couple of juniors who are working and they are having good knowledge in CPI also. Okay, like they know how to debug the things. If something is failing in CPI, they know how to debug it by performing a trace. So these things are major things. I mean, once you start working on it in actual term, you will get the access and you can start working. Knowing the basics is something which is required. Okay, so the next thing is SAP C4C focuses on an improved and easy user experience that is based on Fiori design principles. So basically, it's a Fiori-based client code.
So now
this is like just like
Fiori.
how everything is on Fiori. You don't have to dig anywhere. That's the reason transport management came into a picture. Because like in HTML5, we are having an option to upload and download our layouts. But in Fiori, we are not having these things. So for that and with client, I mean, with the customer's demand, this thing came into a picture. Okay.
So if I talk about... so now the layouts we cannot download, upload from one tenant to other tenant. That's what you're saying.
We cannot download and upload it. It's only transported.
Okay.
And one more thing, the disadvantage which is there in, I mean, I will tell you, and I'm working on that transport request now. I'll be telling you these things over there. Okay. So if we talk about SAP Business Suite, this is like ERP, CRM. Nowadays, if you are aware and if you are aware of the market, we're having S4HANA system. ECC system is now no longer, it's not in use nowadays. We are having SAP CRM, SAP S4HANA system. And initially we are having CRM system that is also not there. It's merged with S4HANA system. Initially, it was introduced as a connector, but yes, in S4HANA, everything is there now. When CRM is also there in S4HANA. So you can consider it's like a ERP solution or CRM solution. It's a SAP Business Suite. So that is customer on demand cloud integration option. So that is integrated with our C4C solution, sales, social on demand, and SAP Cloud for System. This is an open platform basically. So if it's a standard one, it's an easy connected thing. So this is just like an overview how the things are connected. We can access C4C on our mobile. We can access it on our laptop. We can access it on tablet as well. So this you can say it's coming like a cloud. So it's a cloud base, and then this is just like an integration, which is act as a middleware in system. It can be a CPI, it can be HCI, CPI, and HCI are the same things, and it can be a PI. So this is our SAP Business Suite. Okay.
Okay.
Moving on to the next slide. This is like sales on demand is now SAP Cloud for Sales. So this is like browser based. We can access it on, and this is a traditional version of C4C. I mean, this is like initially when C4C was looking like that, but now it's very good tool. I mean, the look and feel is very good. Initially, when SAP was in very demand, but where SAP was lagging, it was lagging in front end application. SAP was not good in front end. So what happened slowly, SAP tried improving that. Initially, Fiori came into picture, and then SAP itself is selling out. So this is just like an C4C architecture, which is taken from a Google. So I mean, it's just, I mean, if you compare it with this one, this is the same thing. Okay, this is the same thing as like this one. So it's like SAP Business Suite, customer on account, integration, and this cloud-based system. This is just, I can say, a C4C architecture. Okay.
Okay.
And then I was saying, just have a look at this picture so that I can move
Okay.
further. I was waiting for
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Have a look at that.
Okay. What is this cloud? Social engagement is
For social media activities. And nowadays, if I say this cloud is integrated with different cloud applications also now. Okay, like FSM, CPQ. This is integrated with a couple of systems now. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So this is how CRM is evolved. Evolution of SAP CRM. So initially it was just for a project Bangalore, then project Minis, KNV acquisition, then focus CRM new dimension. This is how CRM is evolved. Okay, and then CRM enjoy SAP. It was before it was enjoy SAP. Then CRM 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 2005, and then in CRM 2007, the BOI came into picture. Works a lot, and then CRM 7.0 and package one. Success factor 2013 onwards, we were having, I can say, that cloud-based solution was introduced. Okay,
so
and then C4C architecture.
I heard going forward the CRM will be discontinued. Not sure.
It will not be discontinued. It will not be discontinued now because it's integrated with S4HANA now.
There will be not
They were
a separate
planning to
system,
do
right?
that.
The CRM, yeah. When it's integrated with HANA,
Correct.
then it will be not a separate system. Yeah, it will be ECC or S4 HANA and C4C, right?
Yeah, no. It's not like ECC is also wiped down now. ECC and CRM are traditional version of. I mean, it's just like a three-tier architecture base. If you're aware of what is three-tier architecture.
That I know. Yeah.
Yeah, presentation, application, and database. So it was three-tier architecture.
Yeah.
But after HANA introduced, HANA was initially introduced in BI. Okay, for business analytics, and then later on it moved on to ABAP and other things. So nowadays I can say initially it was as for HANA. In 1809 release, they have added CM, that is CRM, as an extender. It's like just like a connector in S4HANA. But nowadays, I mean, it's like a solution itself in S4HANA in the new release, in the 2021 release or 2020 release. So it's a part of S4HANA itself. So CRM, I can say in layman terms, if we talk about CRM system, that is going to discontinue in next upcoming years. But yes, it is replaced with S4HANA. Everything is there in S4HANA now.
Yeah, because there is no upgrade here in CRM side. I mean, there is no upgrade here.
Yeah,
it's remain the
there
same.
is no upgrade. Yeah,
And what is this cyclo? What is this cyclo mobile CRM? Yeah, on the top, right hand side top.
This is just like I mean how it was introduced. Don't worry about it. This is just like evolution. No one is going to ask you about that thing because see, every day new things can. It's just like I can say mobility based CRM. This is just like an evolution of CRM. And nowadays, if you see SAP C4C system, I can say it's a very good system. Okay. So moving on to the next slide. This is just like a C4C architecture. The overall architecture of C4C is that of a multi-tenant architecture, which means that SAP C4C and integration component itself is shared with other customers. So I hope you might be aware of that or not. But C4C, we are having an options. We can go with multi-tenant architecture or we can go with single-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture,
So,
I mean,
yeah, multi-tenant means development quality and production like that, or what we are referring to here? Multi-tenant.
It means there is a cloud storage. I mean, it's a cloud-based solution, right? So dedicatedly, there will be no database for you. Okay, it will be on a system base, and similarly a space which you are sharing other systems.
Public and private cloud.
Public and private cloud. Correct. Okay. So multi-tenant is known as public cloud. It's a public cloud. I mean, If you go for a private cloud, you can go for it. That is known as single tenant model for customer, which is a private edition for additional. Okay.